we've got our new watering bucket. Let's see how it works. Alright, today we are unboxing. We are talking about my new stainless steel dog automatic watering feeder bowl. So I opened it up. I already spoiled the surprise. But this thing it's pretty heavy duty. It's awesome. It's actually designed with these two big bolts. And these, I couldn't figure out what they were, but they are anchors. They're anchor bolts to go into like a concrete wall for a horse or an animal, cow, pigs, whatever, something more substantial than my dogs. But anyway, there's an extra, comes with an extra water shutoff device. It comes with a converter from a garden hose to a nice, it's actually got a nice stainless steel hose here. So I'm going to get some Teflon tape and put this together. And then installed already is an additional water shutoff valve, and it's adjustable. And then, like I talked about, there's two holes here so you can mount it on a wall, and it looks like it would mount on a wall at a little bit of an angle so the water level would be closer to the animal. But what I'm going to do is make a little box to mount it to and set it on the ground, because it's kind of wiggly. I don't think I want to set it on the ground without putting a little bit of support behind it. But anyway, I'm going to get to work installing that. And so initial impressions is this is a nice heavy duty, the float is protected from the animals yet easily accessible, so I really kind of like that. Okay, you can see I found two good old farm pieces of wood, dusty, dirty, still solid. I screwed in through here to the back plate and screwed the back plate down to this piece of wood. Now it's going to be nice and solid to sit on the ground. I'm going to take this and connect it here with 3 layers of Teflon tape, and then connect this end with 3 layers of Teflon tape, and we'll call it good. Okay, so I've got my tape, and because this will twist on this way, I wrap my tape in that direction, exactly 3 layers. And this thing comes with something super cool. I mean, actually, this little handle that's going to help me tighten it up, get it just nice and snug. Finger tight's probably all we need with this. I don't need to go get any wrenches. And it has a wrench on this side and this side, so I can do the same on the other end of the water feeder. And we've got our new watering bucket. Let's see how it works.